So ended up going for a drive today. Found myself in the town of Barrhead, Alberta. Did what I had to do, then stopped for gas. While I stopped for gas at the co-op, I met a nice young fella, and he was talking about how he liked the new Rangers. We got to talking, etc., etc. Turned into bikes and camping, and got onto my bike ride and camping across BC on the rail trails in August. And he was saying that his mom had a little battle with cancer herself. Glad to hear you're talking of that in the past tense, young fella. Sorry I didn't catch your name, but you know where to find me. But anyway, he was saying how his mom beat that, and he's going to get into biking too. He's looking at dirt jumpers and stuff, and yeah, should be fun. Good luck with that, young man. And maybe we'll see you out on the trail somewhere, across the mountains. You never know where your paths will cross.